students. So in our previous class we have started with our chapter 4 addition and subtraction. So I hope you all tried that first video problems which all I tried. So students, addition always help us to add the quantity more, and it is very useful for us. So students, what we have to do, we have to add addition quickly or fast to get the answer. We have to put as much as sum possible by ourselves. For example, last video I have solved some of the problem. In that you can change the numbers and you can write other numbers and you can go on adding the numbers, so that you can add the numbers very fastly. You will enjoy that. So let us solve this problem. So students, here you can notice the way I have written the numbers, right? So you can notice, as I tell, I have left some of the small gap between each and every numbers. Can you see that? So why I have left, you know that. So it helps us to calculate the number with avoiding the confusions. Okay. So here is a large numbers for us to calculate. So just looking that why this very big number given for us to calculate, you don't get panic. Just cool and start adding it. Write the numbers the way I have written below each and every step. How many numbers, how many big numbers they are given, don't bother about that. You can do it. You be confident, you can do it. Okay, let us solve this problem. So 6 plus 2. So how much? 6 plus 2. It is 8. Okay. Then 0 plus 2. How much? Is 0 or 2? It is 2. As I told, any number add and subtract by 0 is 2 itself. Add and subtract. Okay. Because the value of number does not change in addition and subtraction. But any number multiply or divide by 0, the value of number is 0. It does not have any value. Okay. Again 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. So 1 here. 1 carried to next number. Here we have again 0 plus 3 is 3. And 1, 4. Okay. Again here 5 plus 8. How much? 5 plus 8 is, 5 plus 3 is how much? Yes, it is 8. Okay. Again 0 plus 3 we have, right? 3. Again 3 plus 4 we have. How much? It is 7. 0 plus 4 is 0 or 4? It is 4. So again 4 plus 4 is 8. So let us put the commas, and we got 84 crore 73 lakh 84,128. This is the answer. Let us solve one more problem here. So students, next problem for us asked is to subtract. Here also we have large numbers. As I told you in the previous problem, don't get panic if seeing the large numbers. Okay. So students, here also I have written, give the gap between each and number. So in this mild difference between addition and subtraction, there we will give the carry. Here we will take the carry. This is a difference between addition and subtraction. Let us see. Here is always we have to start from ones place. It may be addition or subtraction. We have to start from ones place. So 7 minus 9. Is it possible from 7 we can subtract 9? No, right? So we are going to take carry from 8. So 8 becomes 7 because it is giving 1 to carry. Now 7 becomes 17, not 8. It becomes 17. 17 minus 9. How much? It is 8. It is 8. Now we have here 7, not 8. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, observe carefully. Here I have 0. 0 minus 7 is, can I minus 0 minus 7? No. Yes, I told any number minus by 0 is that number. If 0 is present below, 7 is present up, 7 minus 0 I would have written 7. But 0 is in this place. So I have to minus 7. So I am taking from here one carry. This becomes 0 first and here it becomes 10. Because the number itself 1. If I take one carry, the number becomes 0. Okay. So now 0 becomes 10. If I write 1 next to 0. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 0 is it. Again it is not possible to subtract 0 from 2. I am taking carry here. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Again here we have 6, not 7. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 8. I cannot minus from smaller number to greater number. So I need carry. So 3 becomes 2. 2 becomes 12. I am taking carry from this number. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Again 2 minus 5 is not possible. Let us take carry from here. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 6 is not possible because 5 is smaller than 6. So let's take carry. 9 becomes 8. 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 6 is 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay. Now 8 minus 3. So here it won't be a smaller number than this number because this is an NB, no. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So students, we got 59 crore 74 lakh 28,368. So I hope you learned. Please write and practice that. You will understand clearly. If you are not understanding, watch the video twice or thrice so that you will understand clearly. Thank you so much for watching the video.